Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe your channel and hit the notification bell. Like, share and comment. I love to talk with you. Give me your feedback. Guys, today video is about manicure and pedicure cream. In this video we talk about what manicure and pedicure cream does, mean its benefits, why you use this cream, its recipe, its application, how, when and why you apply, and how to store it. Storage time and method. I personally use this cream. I find very good result. I love this because it works better than all manicure and pedicure creams. Guys, your hands do a lot of work and expose to a lot during the day. So there will really benefits from using this cream. This is 100% natural and organic. Your DIY natural and organic cream provides you glow, fairness, softness, prevents from dryness. Homemade creams are best because you can add your favorite ingredients in it. Let's start to make. Take a bowl, 1 teaspoon Vaseline, 1 teaspoon shampoo, 1 teaspoon dry milk, 5 capsules of vitamin A, 5 capsules of vitamin E. Mix all ingredients well. Manicure and pedicure cream is ready. Put this into a jar or bottle. You can store it as long as you want. This recipe works wonders for tired hands and feet, brittle nails and dry cuticles. It feels luxury rich on the skin. It is much easier and cheaper to make something at yourself. Apply a little amount on your hand and foot with circular motions gently after every wash, like this. Before applying cream, wash your hands and feet. अब दुआ कर लेते हैं। नेमत से बगावत करना सवाल का आगाज़ है। इस्तग़फ़ार का सफ़र शुरू करना अरूज का आगाज़ है। अस्तग़फ़िरुल्लाह सरबुलंदी का वजीफ़ा है और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इनाम याफ्ता बंदों का विर्द। अल्लाह करीम हमें इस्तग़फ़ार की तौफ़ीक अता फ़रमाए और हमें अपने इनाम याफ्ता बंदों में शामिल फरमाए। आमीन। This is the end of the video, guys. Bye.